Hi friends, welcome back to Zazen Tarot Space. In today's video, we will see what the month of March 2023 is bringing for our Leo friends. You can watch this video, it will be appropriate for you. If you have a Leo ascendant or a Leo moon sign or a Leo sun sign. So these are your cards. Let us start with your first card, the Oracle card. And you have pulled the Shaman card. Now this is an intense card here that we have for you, Leo. In any case, Leo is an intense zodiac. And this particular card is a lot about researching, acquiring knowledge, digging deep, studying, taking time out to research things. So these are the themes that will keep you on your toes and interested and running in March. But these are just some of the themes. There are many more that we see with the Shaman card. Where on the one hand, I see you focusing a lot on trying to acquire knowledge, gain wisdom. I also see you trying to look for a mentor. Even if you're not trying to look for a mentor, then this is the time when a mentor can come up into your life. Now, this could be a mentor of any kind. So, a person wants to learn badminton, a good badminton teacher can come along. Someone wants to study the Vedas, a good teacher of the Vedas can come along. You've been wanting to learn a new language, you can have that. Somebody wants to study spirituality, you can have a great guru entering your life this time. So this is the month for mentorship and finding mentors. You could be a great mentor for that matter, for people who look up to you or come to you for guidance. Apart from that, the Shaman card promises healing. Whatever past grievances, hurts, mental negativity that you have been carrying, now is the time when you will be able to heal yourself, or the circumstances around you will be such that you will feel the angst and the pain leaving you, dissolving, going away. You will be able to release all that, and gradually you will experience a deep sense of healing on any plane, whether it be physical, mental, emotional, etc. Basically, it is about having a culture of healing, so you may also assist someone in their healing process, even if it is something as simple as listening to a friend vent out whatever they are experiencing in life. The Shaman card is about, finding a doorway to the other world. That world which is peaceful, which is all knowledge, which when that door opens up, it gives you things like psychic visions. It gives you a glimpse into the unseen. So this month is also going to be a spiritually inclined month for you, Leo. The Seven of Cups. I see that for a lot of you, you will be spoiled for choice, okay? You will be having so many options in your hands. You ask for one, you'll get 10 in front of you. So options So many, in fact, that you may actually have face difficulty making up your mind which one to finalize. Apart from that, with this card, I would like to bring a certain amount of caution. I would like you to be a little careful when something sounds too good to be true. Make sure to check it out, because it may actually be too good to be true. With this card, I would say that if things feel like they are more than you expect them to be, just check out, just dig below the surface. You may find out something unpleasant about it. So do your research, especially with the Shaman card, you will be able to. So you really need to be sure and firm-footed before taking your decisions. Ace of Pentacles, a great month financially for all you people out there looking for job opportunities. This is a fantastic month ahead. You can get financial opportunities, financial growth. You'll be able to see your health improving. You'll be able to start new plans to improve your health, improve your finances. The Five of Wands. Okay, so I do see a certain amount of conflict here around you. You cannot expect complete people support with this card coming up for you in the month of March. On the contrary, you can expect some kind of, what could I say, some kind of, opposition, competition from people. You guys may be competing for similar things, or if you're headed towards something, you may experience people trying to kind of, hamper or obstruct in some way or the other. If you're appearing for that job interview which we were talking about, there will be stiff competition. But the good part is that with the Ace of Pentacles, you will be able to find your way out of this competition and kind of, really eventually get to what you have been trying to, what you set out to achieve. So also with the Five of Wands, I see inner conflicts, which we had already seen here. So I do see quite a bit of inner conflict in you in the month of March. One mind pulling in one direction, another mind pulling you in another direction. Yeah, so confused. In some of you may even experience turmoil, inner turmoil. The High Priestess card. That's interesting, because with the Shaman card and the High Priestess, this is a very good time for spiritual progress, progressing in knowledge, acquiring wisdom, doing the deeper things, trying to find out the deeper meaning of life. Excellent time for meditations, spiritual retreats, diving into the unknown, the unseen, trying to kind of uncover all that, and then maybe even having a guide to help you with it. So that's the overall theme, Leo friends. The next cards we're going to pull out are the cards for what your inner state, your emotional and mental state is going to be like. So I see the clinging to the past here, some past grievances, some pain from the past, some losses which have also created maybe a wound, some kind of pain, and you don't want to go beyond that. You may experience an inner state of being where you want to hold on to that pain. Receptivity. You will be vulnerable, and then you will be in pain, in turmoil, and then probably you'll kind of read books, self-help books, some kind of books, seek some guidance, seek some people who will help you come out of that turmoil, come out of that state of discomfort. So this is an inner time for inner, moving from discomfort to comfort, working towards it. Okay. The next card, Leo friends, for you, we want to see what your career will be like, what your business will be like. And for that, you've drawn the Empress card, which is a very fantastic card. It signals growth, a lot of growth, and putting in the effort and then reaping the benefits of all the effort that you put in, which will happen in work, career, business, finances. Whatever efforts you put in, you will see the result of your efforts. And you're going to be happy and proud about it. Fantastic month in terms of career, work, etc. And lastly, we want to see, Leo, what your love life or your married life is going to be like. The Eight of Wands, it's a fantastic card. If you are married or engaged or in a relationship, then you will continue to feel the love, the spark, the positivity, the energy. You'll feed off it. You'll enjoy it. You'll bask in the attention of your loved one. For those of you who are single, this is the time when you can expect to suddenly fall in love with someone. Passionately, suddenly, deeply, aggressively fall in love. Very quickly. So that was your reading, my dear Leo friends, for the month of March 2023 for you. Bye-bye.